What's up, guys? Welcome back to my weekly um market breakdown. So, in this section, I have few pairs that I have interest to trade this coming week. So, before I open the pair, but let's start with DSY. DSY is just the dollar index. So it helped me to get the overall view of how strong or how weak the dollar will be or the dollar is going to be. So I trade price action. So the dollar index has been on a um, uptrend for a quite a long time. Since 2011, we have low, higher higher low, and higher high. So, but all of that. So my style of trading is just a top-down analysis. So, and I have support and resistance that are very important to me. Whenever the market break above or below any of these zone, then the market will go to the next zone above or below. So in this case of the dollar index has broken below this major support zone, which has been a support zone since 23 since 3 years ago. It was a previous resistance, but when the market broke above the resistance, then we go to the next resistance zone. So, but for now, the market has broken below this support zone. So, I was expecting the market to just to come to this next support zone at $90. But sometimes the market don't just do what we want. So after the market broke below this support zone, then the market started creating some ranging markets. So for now, the market is ranging. The dollar index is ranging. It's ranging. So on the monthly time frame, on the dollar index, so we have the market has created another minor support, which is around somewhere here. The market has been failing to break below this this support for a very long time, since last year July. So if we go to the weekly time frame, but my overall view is for the market to break below this support or break above this resistance. But let's go to the weekly time frame to see what the market is doing on the weekly time frame, because this is the monthly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, so I was first um so on the weekly time frame, I was expecting the market to create an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which was this. Let me show you, which was the left shoulder neckline here being the head, these two touch here being the head, the second shoulder, which is the right shoulder. But the market failed to um create this pattern, but instead the market broke below this the minor support and come into the major support. So at this point so I'm expecting, since this inverse head and shoulder pattern fails, so I'm expecting the market to break below this support region to give us break retest to go to the next support level. So I normally use weekly breakout when I'm on a major support or resistance. So I use weekly breakout. So when there's a daily breakout, for example, like this breakout on the daily time frame, if we check the daily time frame, it's a breakout, but on the weekly time frame, it's a fake out. It's not a real breakout on the weekly time frame. So I prefer using the weekly time frame to confirm my major breakout in the market. So, but for now, the dollar index is still inside the ranging market because we have been ranging since more than 6 months. I've been ranging for more than 6 months since July last year, for more than 6 months. For more than 6 months. So uh, I'm waiting for maybe this new week the market will break below this support level and start coming down. So enough of the DXY. The DXY is not setting for me, but uh, let me but the pair that I would like to trade, or I'm going to trade this coming week, are the USDCHF, USDCHF and USDJPY. So let's go with USDCHF. So the USDCHF has also been ranging for a very long time. So when we broke below this major support, so I'm expecting the market to come to the next major support, which the market tested um, in 2011. So I'm waiting for the market, or I'm expecting the market to come and tap into this major support level again. So we have the market was ranging since last year, June, July, around that time, but the market broke below this last month, January. So and I was expecting the market to retest this major um, resistance zone before dropping, but the market did not do that. So what is my um, interest, or my overall view now on the USD chef? My view now is, since the market did not get to retest this level, so remember the DXY has not broken out also, so I'm expecting, so the market created a new major level around this place. So so on USD chef, this is now my major resistance level, because the market has been respecting this level for more than 2 weeks. We have this push, the second rejection, now the third rejection. So what I'm expecting for USD chef to do is, I want the market to come on. Sorry, let me reduce this level. So let me see if this level will be so I'm expecting the market to come and do another retest to this level before dropping. So I'm waiting for a retest to happen. So I'm waiting for a retest to happen on USD chef for me to go short. So this was just to confirm the resistance, because this trading here at first is seriously, because my major resistance was here. So now the market has created this major resistance for me to trade from. So if I can see another pullback into this level, then drop, then this is my first analysis. Then my other plan is, we have this support level. If I clone this level, this, put it here. So I'm waiting for two things: either we retest this level, or then drop, or we break below this support level, then retest and drop. So this is my two analysis on USDCHF. So the next pair of interest is the USDJPY. USDJPY. I think this is my favorite to trade at the moment. This is my favorite pair to trade at the moment. So on USDJPY, so the market has also been ranging for a very long time, since 2024, when the market get to this resistance, and since 2024 the market has failed to break above this resistance. This was the first touch, second time drop, now the third time. So the market is dropping. The market has already tapped into this resistance level, and the market now is dropping. So so my analysis on USDJPY is so we have this monthly bearish engulfing, which tap into the resistance level. So since market failed to break above this resistance level and then form a bearish engulfing to engulf this candle, that means the market is going to drop to this next level here. So I have approximately 1,450 pips to trade. So 1,450 pips. So this is my monthly overall view, but to confirm my bearish analysis, if we check the weekly time frame, let me show you guys something that makes this my trade, that makes USDJPY my favorite pair this week to trade. So on USDJPY, after the market tapped into this resistance zone, then we have this major, or this minor major, or support level here, which has been a support, resistance. Then now the market respected it again here as a support. Then the reason why I like to use weekly breakout is, if we go to the daily time frame, this pin bar here, this rejection here, which this fake out rejection here, if we go to the daily time frame or the forward time frame, it will be a major breakout. But on the weekly time frame, it is a fake out. So that's why I prefer using the weekly time frame as my breakout confirmation. So on the weekly time frame, we also spot this chart pattern called the head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you guys properly. We have the left shoulder neckline, which is also the major support level. Then we have this head. Also, we have this second, the right shoulder. Now the market has broken below the neckline. Sweet chart pattern, sweet sell confirmation pattern. So not only did the market respected our resistance level, the market also created a chart pattern which is inverse, which is head and shoulder pattern. So and the market has officially broke below the support level on the weekly time frame. Don't forget, first of all, we had this fake breakout. Then now we have the major weekly breakout, which is not just a weekly breakout, an engulfing candle, which engulf one, two, which engulf the previous 2 weeks candle. So let's go to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is the chart pattern I was talking about. The chart pattern I was talking about. We put so this is the the left shoulder. This two here is the left shoulder. Then here is the right shoulder neckline. Left shoulder. Then we have the head here. Then the right shoulder, and now we have the breakout. So this first breakout was the fake out we had on the weekly time frame, which is this fake out here. It is pin bar or armor fake out here. So but on the weekly time frame it's a fake out, but on the daily time frame it's a major breakout. So that's why I prefer using weekly time frame as my major breakout confirmation. So but this new breakout here is a major breakout on the weekly time frame, which engulf 1-2 candle. So I'm expecting the market to do something for me. I want to see a retest to this level here, and then we sell down so this is my my area of value. This is my area of value. So any retracement that do not tap into this area of value, I will not trade it. So I need to see a retest into this area of value before and look for my entry and then sell down. So the reason why I'm using here as my first level of target is because of it's a major support level. Sorry, I'm coming. So So this my first target level is a major level which has this crazy rejection around this level. So here will be my first here will be my first target. If the market breaks below, move for another entry to my major target here. So let's see what the market will do this coming week. So this is my analysis. So I will wait for 4 hours pullback. I want to see a pullback like this, pullback here, then sell down here, something like this, something like this. Yeah, something like this on USDJPY. So this is my analysis on USDJPY and USDCHF. So this is the only pair that has given me the breakout confirmation, though the dollar index has not broken out yet, but the JPY and USDCHF, they have already given me the breakout confirmation, which is this breakout confirmation. So the dollar index and the dollar will be weak in next couple weeks to months. So yeah, this is my analysis for the week. I'm waiting for a pullback like this. Let me give you guys some free tips. A pullback like this, you get pullback like this, a counter trend pullback. That's what I'm waiting for, a counter trend pullback. So yeah, thank you. This is my weekly forecast for the week. USDCHF and USDJPY. So USDCHF, don't forget, I need to see a pullback into this level here before I sell down. This is my first interest. While my second confirmation will be if the market did not retest here for the second time, then I will wait for a breakout, a retest, and continue selling. Yeah, so let's see what the week have for us. Yeah, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and please do well to subscribe to my channel. Though this is my personal view of the market, it's not for educational purpose. I'm just using this YouTube as my journal to improve my skill. I'm not a profitable trader yet, so and I think documenting here on YouTube will help improve my consistency, not to do against my analysis, because sometimes or most times I tend to go against my plan. So that's why I'm documenting here on YouTube, to stick to what I post here on YouTube, not to deviate from whatsoever I've documented here on YouTube. So this will be this. I think this will be the second, or let's just say this will be the first forex market breakdown. Let's call it episode 1, or yeah, episode 1. So thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you.